A gaze at the sky makes me feel, why am I not a bird? Wish I could fly high in the sky and enjoy the wind. Don't you think so? These birds are indeed lucky to have such an amazing body structure. Let's now have a look at a few characteristics of the class Aves. To start, are birds warm-blooded or cold-blooded? Of course, they are warm-blooded animals. They have a four-chambered heart as well. Now, what about their body? If you look closely, birds have a streamlined body. That helps them in piercing through the wind efficiently. And what other special features do they have? The most remarkable character which is absent in other classes is the presence of feathers. Their body is completely covered in feathers. Not only this, but their forelimbs are modified to form wings that help them fly. Now, how do birds give birth to young ones? We have seen nests of birds having eggs, which means birds are oviparous. They lay eggs. And lastly, how do birds breathe? They have a well-developed respiratory system consisting of lungs. So, breathing is carried out by lungs. This was about the Aves. Now it's time we talk about the last class, Mammalia. This class consists of all higher and complex organisms. These organisms have the most developed forms of body. Do you know why is this class called Mammalia in the first place? Animals belonging to this class have presence of mammary glands. These are specialized structures on their body which help in milk production. The milk is useful in nourishing the young babies till the time they can feed on food which adults consume. Mammals are warm-blooded animals and have a four-chambered heart. The four-chambered heart structure helps in keeping the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood separate. What covers their skin? Skin of mammals is mostly covered with hair or fur for protection. Apart from this, there are specialized glands like the sweat gland and the oil gland on the surface of the skin. These help in secretion of sweat and useful oils that keep the skin moist and protected. Lastly, mammals are viviparous with an exception of platypus and echidna. All mammals except these two give birth to young ones directly. This was about mammals in general. And with this, we come to an end of the classification of animals.